People often quip, if Bill Gates dropped a $100 bill, it wouldn't be worth his time to pick it up. But if he did pick it up, he would still have $100 more. Believe me, things are not as complicated as we've made them out to be. Besides being one of the richest and most powerful individuals globally, Bill Gates is also an ordinary man who relishes living life and enjoying his wealth. But have you ever paused to ponder how this billionaire lives? In this video, you'll discover the lavish lifestyle of Bill Gates. For more enthusiastic content and exclusive quarterly giveaways, subscribe to our channel now. Don't forget to hit the like button on each video. Your feedback and new suggestions are always welcomed. Let's make our content even better together. Born in 1955 in Seattle, Washington State, William Henry Gates, known as Bill Gates, is regarded as one of the wealthiest and most influential figures globally. Despite being raised by a lawyer and a teacher in a non-affluent household, Gates had the privilege of attending reputable schools, granting him early access to computers. While at Harvard University, Gates, along with his friend Paul Allen, founded Microsoft, pioneering computer software companies worldwide. Their venture proved immensely successful, catapulting Gates to billionaire status by the age of 31, a feat unprecedented among young entrepreneurs. By 1995, at 40, Gates ascended to the position of the world's richest individual, maintaining the status for nearly 2 decades. Since 2006, Gates has increasingly directed his efforts towards social initiatives, dedicating much of his time to aiding the underprivileged. Given his pivotal role in the computer revolution, Bill Gates is widely recognized as one of the most influential figures in modern history. Bill Gates becomes insane when he goes to collect the artwork. Gates bought the painting Lost on the Grand Banks in 1998 for $36 million, setting an American art record. It portrays North American fishermen off Maine's coast and now hangs in his library. Another acquisition from Richard Mnuchin is Room of Flowers, valued at $20 million, residing in Gates' library. Completed in 1894, it's an impressionist masterpiece. The Nursery, also from Mnuchin, cost Gates $10 million. Painted by William Merritt Chase in 1890, it hangs anonymously in Gates' collection. Polo Crowd, priced at $27.5 million, is among Gates' costly acquisitions. It's by George Bellows, famed for his NYC urban depictions. As one of the richest and most powerful people worldwide, it's no surprise that Bill Gates owns some truly grand mansions. Take, for instance, his former 9,600 square foot estate in Florida's Hobe Sound region. Nestled amidst nature, surrounded by forests and close to a tranquil lake, it boasted sophisticated classical architecture. Reports suggest Gates sold it in 2018 for around $4 million, likely driving its value even higher. Additionally, he possesses a massive 13,500 square foot home in Indian Wells, California, purchased back in 1999 for approximately $12.5 million. Moreover, in 2013, Gates acquired a mansion in the luxurious Mallet Hill Court condominium in Wellington, Florida. So enamored was he with the area that he decided to purchase another neighboring mansion in 2016, further expanding his luxurious estate. These mansions offer spacious interiors with large rooms and comfortable living spaces, complemented by beautiful outdoor areas, a common feature of countryside homes like these. And to acquire these 2 properties, Gates paid more than $22 million. In 2020, Bill Gates made a significant investment in a breathtaking beachfront property located north of San Diego in Del Mar, California. This contemporary architectural masterpiece, crafted by renowned architects, stands out as one of the most magnificent residences in the city. Spanning an impressive 5,800 square feet, the interior is adorned with 6 luxurious bedrooms, epitomizing elegance and opulence. Embracing the essence of coastal living, the mansion boasts an expansive outdoor area complete with comfortable armchairs and panoramic ocean views, creating an ideal setting for hosting lavish parties and gatherings. The acquisition of this Seaside Sanctuary came at a substantial cost, with Gates reportedly spending a whopping $43 million, according to media reports. However, this investment pales in comparison to his most celebrated property, Xanadu 2.0, situated in Medina, Washington State. Named after the iconic mansion in the 1941 film Citizen Kane, it is believed to be a tribute to Gates' admiration for the movie. Although details about Xanadu 2.0 are scarce, it is renowned for its grandeur, spanning over an impressive 65,000 square feet. Its construction spanned more than 7 years, showcasing meticulous attention to detail and unparalleled craftsmanship. Constructed from the finest wood, including centuries-old pine trees, the mansion seamlessly integrates luxury with natural elements. Furthermore, true to the residence of the Microsoft founder, Xanadu 2.0 boasts state-of-the-art technology. The entire property is equipped with cutting-edge automation, featuring sensors that regulate lighting and temperature in every corner of the house. Such advanced technological features required the expertise of over 100 electricians during construction, underscoring the magnitude of its sophistication and innovation. Picture the mansion filled with super cool gadgets and gizmos, sparking excitement at every corner. Gates, the book lover, has an amazing library with rare books, like Leonardo da Vinci's, that cost a whopping $31 million. Building this awesome mansion was no joke. It cost Gates around $63 million. Now get this, the mansion's value has shot up to a mind-blowing $127 million. Imagine walking through this futuristic home, where every room is packed with fun stuff to explore. Gates' library alone, with its fancy books, is like stepping into a treasure chest. And as you wander around, you can't help but be amazed by how nature and technology blend together seamlessly. This mansion isn't just a house, it's an adventure waiting to happen. From its high-tech gadgets to its fancy library, every part of Gates' estate promises excitement and discovery. Cars. Apologies for the oversight. Here's a revised version with 100 words. Bill Gates can afford luxurious cars, but for daily use, he opts for practicality. Often spotted in a Ford Focus, priced around $25,000, it serves his commuting needs without extravagance. Previously, he owned a 1979 Porsche 911, auctioned for approximately $80,000 in 2012. Despite his wealth, Gates values functionality over opulence when it comes to his choice of vehicles, preferring reliability and efficiency for his everyday transportation needs. Bill Gates once owned a Ferrari 348, an older model still valued at around $150,000 today. However, he now favors eco-friendly options, such as the Porsche Taycan, an all-electric, high-performance sports car. Remarkably, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. Understandably, the latest models of the Taycan can cost up to $200,000. Gates' transition towards environmentally conscious vehicles showcases his commitment to sustainability while maintaining his preference for top-notch performance. But probably the most expensive car Bill Gates ever owned was a Porsche 959 Sport, a 1980 car that at its launch was considered one of the best of its time. And because it is a rare and exclusive vehicle, its price can come to surpass $1 million. The man who topped the list of the richest people in the world for many years could not help but to have a private plane at his disposal, and that's why Bill Gates owns a Bombardier BD-700 Global Express, a sophisticated large high-performance aircraft with intercontinental range capable of traveling to different continents without the need to stop for fuel. This model of jet has a very sophisticated interior, being able to accommodate up to 18 people in a super comfortable and luxurious way. And it can be compared to a 5-star hotel, but in the skies. And for those who want to have this same jet, you must get ready to invest a real fortune. It is estimated that this incredible aircraft costs around $40 million. Thanks a bunch for sticking around until the end. You're a legend. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel.